All right, show us some moves, Solly.
Good job. Here.
Pull her away.
Sully.
Get her to sit and lay down and then say yes.
Sully. Sit. Sit.
Good. Down.
Down. Yes.
Yay,
Yes.
Sully!
Yes.
Yay! Good girl.
You want a little water. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl?
Yes. Good girl. Down. Yes. Good girl.
The miracle worker.
Come on.
Yep.
Come walk with me. Yes. Come on. Walk. Yeah. Good girl. Yes. Off leash healing. You're such a smarty pants.
She is so smart. Good girl. That's a good girl. She found her toy.
What did she say?